Hello everyone, Baron and Brent Bruno. Welcome to Fantasy Island. Water's ready to go. The wind's kicking up a little bit, and so you can get right on that thing right there. That is a stand-up paddleboard, or SUP, S-U-P. And there's some other boats just sitting out there waiting for you. We have some new rental properties right on the water here in Fantasy. Great spot, really beautiful views here. This is super close to downtown Nandi and all the great shopping. And if you're coming in from the airport, probably take you less than 10-15 minutes to get here, and you'll be right on that water. So we have just two of these left, and you can see Nandi Bay just out there. All that right there is all Nandi Bay, and you have all those beautiful mountain views, sleeping giant mountain views. And I'm just going to walk around here a little bit. And you can see as you go out to the Nandi Bay there, that's where the Mamanuca Islands are, and the Asawa Islands. So some of the best, not only snorkeling and scuba diving, but cloud break, if you've heard of that. Restaurants and some of those surf breaks are actually just out to the left. And you can actually have your boat, like these people, right here on the water and literally take it directly out to the bay. How awesome is that? You literally can have a place here and get on your boat and go right out, do all that surfing, all those wonderful boat activities. So some great pelagic fishing. A lot of people are catching some fresh tuna now, mahi, walu, wahoo, you name it. Some danu, or danu kawa, which are coral trout, and grouper. So if you want to fish, you're a boatie, you're going to walk with me. This is a great rental property. So we have one upstairs and one downstairs, furnished out the same way with the air conditioners, recessed lighting and fans, tiled throughout for low maintenance. You can see some nice wardrobes for extra storage down here. And of course you have your fridge, dishwasher, your oven, microwave, kettle, toaster, and all that. And again, double sink for entertaining with lots of counter space too. So even if you have a small family, this is great. You have 3 bedrooms, look at that. And you have the built-in wardrobes with double mirrors. And I'm going to show you, this is one of the first bathrooms. You have your nice sink, your toilet area off the back. And again, you can get those mountain views. Look at that, cool. Yeah, I'm excited to get back out in the water. I love fishing myself. There's your shower stall. And walk with me back. We're going to come back. Here's another back room. Beds are ready to go, pretty new. This place is only a few years old, so the construction quality is really nice. It's brick, cinder block, so really built solid. You have a big area there, which you can put in all your clothes, buy a wardrobe. And if you, like I said, are doing some surfing or scuba diving and things, you can actually put a lot of your tanks and your gear here and keep it inside, out of the elements. And then here is another shower stall for you. So nice, tiled, clean, easy, low maintenance. That's what you want when you come to Fiji. No worry, no hurry, no shoes, no shirt, no problem. And everything's on Fiji time. So you can enjoy this as well. Find out more about this rental property, all of our properties that are available. You can go to professionalsfiji.com, and you can also call us directly, +679 999-2051, and you can learn all about the various properties that we have. Gosh, we even have commercial buildings, we have private islands, resort hotels, you name it, we've got it, and it's all just waiting here for you. So let's hop on the board and go have some fun. That could be you right there. Vanaka.